Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to unbox this Llano 2-pack 1750 milliamp hour Ace Pro 2 battery and 18 watt fast dual charger. This is compatible with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, the Ace Pro, and the Ace Action camera. I purchased this product on Amazon. It wasn't sent to me. They're not sponsoring this or anything like that. It currently is on sale, or it currently is available for $47.99, and I'll put a link in the description of this video to this product. I bought it because I wanted a charging system for the Ace Pro 2 batteries, and this looked like it had good reviews. Okay, here's the charger. We have a user manual. We have a carrying case and a wrist strap. We have a USB-C charging cable. And then it actually includes 2 batteries. So here's one, and I'll hold it there so you can see. Let's see. So it says on the battery, for Insta360 Ace Pro 2 battery pack. Model says Ace Pro. 4.4 volts. 1750 milliamp hour. I actually have an Ace Pro 2 here. And if I take this battery out, let's see what this one says. 4.48 volts and 1800 milliamp hour. So there's not quite as many milliamp hours in this one than in the Insta360 branded one. But I didn't buy it for that. I didn't buy it for the batteries. More so I bought it for being able to charge the batteries. Pretty cool. Looks like there's also some memory card holders in here. It's pretty neat. I'm going to hold it and see if it turns on. And it doesn't. Let's put the batteries in. Oh, there. So I don't know if that's 46 and 48% full or what. So let's take a look. It's the on-off, the LED display cover. The instructions are pretty sparse. There's a preface. It literally doesn't tell you anything. Oh, okay. Charging type, charging display. The green light icon flashes is ordinary. The green light always on is quick charge. The green light icon will disappear when fully charged. Okay. So it appears that those numbers that were on here is the percentage of charge. So I will get this plugged in with this nice long USB-C cable, and that's it. Again, I'll put a link to the description of this in the video, and go ahead and grab one if you want. Thanks for watching.